Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome back to our YouTube channel Techipedia, our third tutorial on this channel. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for our latest updates. And I am also thankful to all of you because of your love. You are giving us a very good response, and it's our promise you can find a best quality content, a best techniques and tricks on this channel. So thank you so much again. And now in today's video we will tell you about an application which is the best for photo editing. So this application is basically available on Chrome. Its name is Rimini, and you just need to upload your photo in this application, and this application will edit your photo automatically. This application will enhance your face and body, enhance environment, and add more pixels into your photo, and make the photo attractive and neat and clean and pure HD. That's why I am suggesting this application for you, because I am personally using this application. And uh, its size is probably 10 MB or 15 MB. So there is no need to edit the photo by yourself. This application will automatically makes our photo professional. So now I am starting the tutorial how you can download the application and how you can edit your photo in this application. So if you like the video, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and also like the video. So thank you and watch the tutorial. So you can find this application on Chrome. This is not available on Play Store, so you simply need to open to Google and search here Rimini APK mode. So now this is the actual application. You need to download this application from here, and then I am telling you how you can use this. So first of all, we simply need to select a photo which we are looking to edit. So now you can see here the too many options: face enhance, environment enhance, color enhance, face beautifier. So click on enhance button, and then all these changings will be applied on our photo automatically. We don't need to add any filter or anything. So now you can see that uploading image and reconstructing the details, adding more pixels, increasing quality, removing blur, sharpening the picture, reducing noise from the picture. Means we simply need to add our photo here, and this application will remove everything, every bad thing from our photo. So now you can see that this is a picture before editing, and this picture is not edited. And now I am showing you the edit one. So now you can see a clear difference between these two videos. You can see that clear environment is totally clear, face is totally clear, clothes are totally clear. I mean, everything is automatically set by the application. You can see a really big difference between these two photos. So that's why I am personally using this application, because we don't need to make any changes from our side. This application will automatically set everything. So if you like the video, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.